महाराष्ट्रातील अग्रगण्य संस्था कानके केमिस्ट्री अकॅडमी 3 जून पासून सुरू होत आहे. खास 10वीतून 11वी सायन्स मध्ये प्रवेश घेणाऱ्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी ऑनलाईन क्लासेस. ऑनलाईन साठी कुठलीही फी नाही. नीट, JEE, MHT, CET साठी स्पेशल बॅचेस. आजच आपला प्रवेश निश्चित करा. कॉल 9822600918 किंवा 9325729992.
Hello students, so let us start our bridge course of chemistry. So first we consider some basic part which is very important for the chemistry. जो start होईल आपलं atom पासून. What is the atom? Atom म्हणजे काय? आपण आता फक्त जो बेसिक पार्ट जो तुम्हाला केमिस्ट्री शिकवताना अडचणी होऊ नये पुढे जाऊन त्यासाठी हा पार्ट घेत आहोत. सो व्हॉट इज द ॲटम? ॲटम इज द स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल ऑफ एन एलिमेंट. देर आर व्हेरियस डेफिनेशन्स ऑफ ॲटम. इन दॅट वन ऑफ द डेफिनेशन इज व्हॉट इज द ॲटम? स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल ऑफ एन एलिमेंट. स्मॉलेस्ट particle of an element, smallest particle of an element which is smallest particle of an element which is invisible or invisible and indivisible. तसं तर ग्रीक वर्डमध्येच ॲटमचं मिनिंग इनडिव्हिजिबल असं होतंय. सो व्हॉट इज द ॲटम? स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल ऑफ एन एलिमेंट विच इज इनव्हिजिबल अँड इनडिव्हिजिबल. एलिमेंटचा सर्वात लहान पार्ट विच इज इनव्हिजिबल मीन्स नॉट सीन, जो दिसणार नाही, अँड इनडिव्हिजिबल जो डिव्हाइड होणार नाही, that is the atom. So what is the atom? Smallest particle of an element which is invisible and indivisible, that is the atom. Now atom consists of two parts. Which are that two parts? Central part of an atom is known as the nucleus. This is the central part of an atom. It is the nucleus. Central part of an atom is the nucleus, and part of an atom other than the nucleus sodun, the part of an atom other than nucleus is known as the extranuclear region. Atom with two parts. Central denser part of an atom is known as the nucleus. What is the nucleus? Central denser part of an atom is known as the nucleus. और न्यूक्लियस छोड़ के बाकी जो पार्ट बचता है उसे कहते हैं एक्स्ट्रा न्यूक्लियर रीजन. सो व्हाट इज द एक्स्ट्रा न्यूक्लियर रीजन? इट इज द पार्ट ऑफ एन एटम अदर देन न्यूक्लियस छोड़ के. दिस इज नोन एज द एक्स्ट्रा न्यूक्लियर रीजन. सो एटम विथ टू पार्ट्स, सेंट्रल डेंसर पार्ट is known as the nucleus. It is the denser because density is very high. What is the density of nucleus? 1.685 into 10 raised to 14 gram per centimeter cube is the density of nucleus. So whole mass of an atom is to be concentrated inside the nucleus. Atom, it is the smallest particle of an element. Atom exists in free state. It may exist in free state or it may not exist in free state. तो फ्री स्टेट मध्ये सुद्धा असेल किंवा तो फ्री स्टेट मध्ये असणार सुद्धा नाही. सो दिस इज द ॲटम विथ टू पार्ट्स. सेंट्रल डेन्सर पार्ट ऑफ एन ॲटम इज नोन एज द न्यूक्लियस अँड पार्ट ऑफ एन ॲटम अदर दॅन द न्यूक्लियस इज नोन एज द एक्स्ट्रा न्यूक्लियर रिजन. देन ॲटम कन्सिस्ट ऑफ 3 particles are called as the subatomic particles or fundamental particles. How many particles? 3 subatomic particles, which are that proton, neutron, electron. Proton, neutron and electron, and these particles are called as the subatomic particles subatomic particles or fundamental particles. Subatomic or fundamental particles of an atom. Atom with how many parts? 2 parts, nucleus and extranuclear region. How many particles? 3 particles. Which are that 3 particles? Proton, neutron and electron. Proton, neutron and electron. Among these 3 particles, proton and neutron present inside the nucleus. Proton and neutron present inside the nucleus. ये nucleus के अंदर रहेंगे, इसलिए इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Nucleons. So protons and neutrons, they are present inside the nucleus, are called as the nucleons, while electron is continuously revolving around the nucleus in circular path. So electron present in extranuclear region, while proton and neutron present inside the nucleus. Therefore these particles are called as the nucleons. So atom with 2 parts and how many particles? 3 particles. Which are that 3 particles? Protons, neutrons and electrons. Protons, neutrons and electrons. So protons, neutrons and electrons. Protons and neutrons present inside the nucleus, hence called as the nucleons, while electrons are continuously revolving around the nucleus in fixed circular path. And you know that this fixed circular path is known as the shell, जो हमें आगे जाकर देखना है. What is the meaning of shell? So protons and neutrons and these electrons, these are called as the subatomic particles or fundamental particles of an atom. Now proton, what is the charge on proton? Proton carries the positive charge. Now let me explain. What is the charge on nucleus? Proton carries the positive charge. Neutron, it is the neutral particle, and then electron with negative charge. So protons, neutrons and electrons. So protons, what are the protons? Proton, it is the positively charged particle. Protons are positively charged particle. Then proton, so what is the, it carries unit positive charge +1, is also known as the AMU. So what is the unit positive charge? And mass of proton is 1 AMU. Then this proton, it was discovered by Goldstein, name of the scientist. So what is the charge on proton? +1. It is unit positive charge. In coulomb it is 1.6 into 10⁻⁻19 coulomb. आपल्याला कंपेअर करायचंच आहे proton, neutron and electron. While this, what is the mass? 1 AMU, that is equal to 1.672 into 10⁻⁻24 gram, or that is also equal to 1.672 into 10⁻27 kg. This is the mass of proton, this is the charge on proton, and what is the position of proton? It is present inside the nucleus. Let us compare all these 3 particles, all these 3 fundamental particles. So fundamental particles, particle, then that is the charge, then that is the position, then mass, it is this mass in kg, then this mass, that is in AMU. Nowadays it is replaced by U, unified mass. So fundamental particles, which are these fundamental particle? First is the proton. This proton was discovered by the Goldstein. Then what is the charge? It is the unit positive charge, that is the plus 1 in coulomb, that is in coulomb 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Position, it is present inside the nucleus or location. Then it is the location or position present inside the nucleus. Mass in kilogram 1.672 into 10 raised to minus 27 kg. And what is mass in AMU? That is the 1.072 AMU. Then when we are talking about the proton, then neutron charge nil, doesn't have any charge. It is present in nucleus. Then what is mass? 1.675 into 10 raised to minus 27 kg. In AMU, that is equal to 1.087 AMU. 1.087. Then this neutron, it was discovered by the Chadwick in 1932. हा सगळा डिटेल पार्ट आपण ज्यावेळेस स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ॲटम हा टॉपिक डिस्कस करणार आहोत त्यावेळेस सगळं डिटेल घेणार आहोत. आता फक्त आणि फक्त हे तुम्हाला माहीत असो ज्याची गरज आपल्याला बाकीच्या ठिकाणी पडते. न्यूट्रॉन, देन इलेक्ट्रॉन. So what is charge on electron? That is the unit charge -1 in coulomb, minus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Then position, it is present in extranuclear region. Then that is the mass. What is the mass of electron? So mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg, and in AMU 0.00055 AMU. So this is the mass of electron. So approximate mass of proton, that is 1, neutron is also 1, and it is taken to be 0. पुढे जाऊन आपण डिस्कस करणार आहोत इलेक्ट्रॉन ड्युएल नेचर म्हणजे काय. इलेक्ट्रॉनला पार्टिकल नेचर पण असणार आहे आणि वेव्ह नेचर पण असणार आहे. सो ऑल दीज आर द फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल. सो रिमेंबर दिस, न्यूक्लियस containing two particles, proton and neutron. Proton with positive charge, neutron with zero charge. Therefore overall charge on the nucleus is positive. And electron is present outside the nucleus. It continuously revolving around the nucleus in fixed circular path is known as the shell. So this is about the fundamental particle. So atom consists of three fundamental particles, which are that protons, neutrons and electrons. Proton and neutron present inside the nucleus are called as the nucleons. Proton आणि न्यूट्रॉन यांना मिळून आपण काय म्हटलंय, न्यूक्लियॉन्स. Electron outside the nucleus which carries the negative charge. So this is about the proton, neutron and electron. Which is the heaviest particle? Neutron is heavier than the proton and proton is heavier than the electron. So electron is lighter particle. Electron with dual nature, जे पुढे असणार आहे, particle as well as wave nature. So this is about the fundamental particles of an atom. Then always remember, when we consider the neutral atom, inside that neutral atom number of protons is equal to number of electrons. Number of protons is equal to number of electrons, and therefore overall atom is electrically neutral. म्हणजे ॲटम मध्ये जेवढे प्रोटॉन्स असतील तेवढेच काय असतील, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. आणि म्हणून काय म्हटलं आपण, ओव्हरऑल ॲटम इज इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल. ॲटम इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल असणार आहे. देन नेक्स्ट पार्ट, दॅट इज द atomic number, mass number, some important term in chemistry, that is atomic number. Atomic number. So atomic number, it is represented by Z. Atomic number. So what is the atomic number? Total number of protons. Total number of protons present inside the nucleus of an atom is the atomic number. How many protons present inside the nucleus? Nucleus में कितने प्रोटॉन हैं? How many protons are there? Nucleus में कितने प्रोटॉन्स है? That protons क्या रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? Protons रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं atomic number. Because number of protons remain fixed. Although number of protons and electrons are same, but we can define atomic number in terms of number of protons. Because why? Number of electrons can be lost, gain or share in formation of chemical bond. जब बॉन्ड तैयार होता है तब क्या होता है कि वो एटम इलेक्ट्रॉन देगा और इलेक्ट्रॉन लेता है और इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर करता है. क्यों? कि उसको उसकी वैलेंसी पूरी करनी है. सो रिमेंबर, व्हाट इज द एटॉमिक नंबर? एटॉमिक नंबर क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है? इट रिप्रेजेंट नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स. नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स. So always remember, number of protons is the atomic number. Number of protons is the atomic number. So total number of protons present inside the nucleus is known as the atomic number. Atomic number. Then next is the mass number. Mass number. It is represented by capital letter A. So what is the mass number? Mass number is nothing but it is the P plus N. Remember this one. P plus N. What is P? Total number of protons. What is N? Total number of neutrons and that number of nucleons. So what is the mass number? Total number of protons and neutrons present inside the nucleus is known as the mass number. क्यों हम ऐसे ही कह सकते हैं कि what is the mass number? Total number of nucleons present inside the nucleus is known as the mass number. So what is the mass number? Total number of nucleons. Total number of nucleons present inside the nucleus is known as the mass number, and hence elements can be represented like this: X, Z and A. This is the way to represent the element. What is meaning of X? X is the symbol of element. What is the X? X is the symbol. X is the symbol of element. Z is the atomic number of that element. A is the atomic mass of that element. For example, your element is the sodium. So what is the sodium? It is a symbol. Sodium Na is the symbol. Then what is Z? Atomic number. What is the atomic number of proton? What is the atomic number of sodium? 11. So here Z. We write here. That is the Z. क्या लिखा हमने यहाँ पे? Z. So यहाँ पे Z represent the atomic number. What is the mass number? 23. So remember this one, sodium, its atomic number is 11, its mass number is 23. So way to represent the element. So always remember, this is the way to represent the element. X represent the symbol of element, and always write, when we write the symbol of element, first letter is always capital and second letter is always small. Suppose this is the carbon. It is definitely capital. Then this is carbon and this is O. So it is, what is this? It is the cobalt. When we write carbon is capital and oxygen is also capital, it becomes carbon monoxide. So always remember, when we write the symbol of element and when two letters are there, so first letter is capital and second letter is small. When we write the C capital and O capital, it is not element, it is the compound. And what is that? Carbon monoxide. The compound's नाव काय असेल? Carbon monoxide. So this is the atomic number, and that is also atomic number and mass number, or atomic mass or mass number is one and same. Mass number is also known as the atomic mass. Then next is the neutron number. Neutron number. Neutron number is represented by capital letter N. And how to represent? A minus Z. So what is the neutron number? Remember A minus Z. Total number of neutrons present inside the nucleus is known as the neutron number. Total number of neutrons present inside the nucleus is known as the neutron number. And remember the neutron number A minus Z, it is the difference in between the atomic mass and atomic number, or it is the difference between mass number and atomic number. This is the neutron number. So remember what is the atomic number, what is the mass number, and what is the neutron number. And now next term, which are very very important, one, that is the isotopes. Isotopes. So what are the isotopes? आइसोटोप्स, ये सब चीज़ें हम रिपीट करने वाले हैं इन टॉपिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम. यहाँ पे ब्रिज कोर्स हम चला रहे हैं, इसलिए मैं आपको इसे एक्सप्लेन करूँगा. ये टर्म पूरा डिटेल एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर में हो जाएगा. सो आइसोटोप्स, व्हाट आर द आइसोटोप्स? सो कंसिडर दिस, दैट इज व्हेन वी कंसिडर द हाइड्रोजन, again hydrogen. How many atoms in front of you? There are 3 atoms. 1, atomic number 1. So atomic number is same, therefore all these 3 atoms represent the same element. It is hydrogen. What is atomic mass? 1. What is here atomic mass? 2. What is here atomic mass? 3. Remember, hydrogen is the only atom doesn't have neutron. So there is only one element is there, that is the hydrogen. Why? Because inside the nucleus of hydrogen there is no neutron. म्हणजे हायड्रोजन हा असा एकमेव इलिमेंट आहे. इट इज द युनिक इलिमेंट की ज्याच्या न्यूक्लियसमध्ये काय असणार नाही, न्यूट्रॉन असणार नाही. आणि म्हणून तुम्हाला त्याचा मास नंबर किती दिसतोय? 1. बिकॉज व्हॉट इज न्यूट्रॉन नंबर? A minus Z. व्हॉट इज A? 1. व्हॉट इज Z? 1. 1 minus 1, 0. How many neutrons are there? 0. Okay. So what is our point? Isotopes. So isotopes, atomic number, what is this? It is the atomic number. What is it? It is the mass number, are called as the isotopes. So what are the isotopes? Different atoms of same element. Different atoms of same element having same atomic number but different mass numbers are called as the isotopes. So what is the same? Atomic number is same. Atomic number same. What is different? Mass number is different. Mass number is different. Mass number is different is known as isotope. They are called as the isotopes. So what are the isotopes? Different atoms of same element. Element same असणार आहे. Different atoms of same element having same atomic number but different mass number are called as the isotopes. So isotopes represent the same element, therefore isotopes occupy the same position in the periodic table. So many properties are there isotopes जे आता आपल्याला गरजेचे नाहीत. आता फक्त काय लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे? What are the isotopes? So isotopes, what are the isotopes? Isotopes are nothing but these are the atoms, different atoms of same element. Here this all these 3 atoms represent the same element, which is that hydrogen. So what is same? Their atomic number is same. Same काय आहे त्याचा? Atomic number same आहे. Different काय आहे त्याचा? What is the different? Mass number is different, and hence are called as the isotopes. So hydrogen having how many isotopes? 3 isotopes. Hydrogen having how many isotopes? 3 isotopes. Which are that 3 isotopes? This is the simply called as the hydrogen. It is called as, it is the deuterium. It is the tritium. Their properties, some of the physical properties are different. जे आपल्याला आहे पुढे, their radio properties are different. म्हणजे काय? This tritium, it is radioactive. हा बीटा पार्टिकल इमिट करतो, त्याचा हाफ लाईफ पिरियड काय, तर सगळं येईल पुढे. सो दिस इज द हायड्रोजन, दिस इज द ड्यूटेरियम, दिस इज द ट्रिटियम. म्हणजे आत्ता जे तुम्हाला लक्षात काय ठेवायचं की जे मी सांगतो तेवढा पार्ट लक्षात ठेवा. याचे सगळे डिटेल्स म्हणजे काय, ठीक आहे मी तुम्हाला सांगतो. डिटेल्स म्हणजे काय की सपोज आत्ता मी काय सांगितलं तुम्हाला, आत्ता मी सांगितलं इलेक्ट्रॉन. ओके, म्हणजे तुमच्या हे लक्षात येईल की आत्ता आपल्याला काय करायचंय आणि ते कशासाठी करायचे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल सपोज इलेक्ट्रॉन, व्हॉट इज द चार्ज ऑन द इलेक्ट्रॉन, 1.6 × 10⁻⁻19 कुलॉम. कन्व्हेन्शनली तो काय देतो आपण, निगेटिव्ह. -1.6 × 10⁻⁻19 कुलॉम किंवा डिटेल व्हॅल्यू -1.602 × 10⁻⁻19 कुलॉम. मी आत्ता एवढंच सांगितलंय. हा चार्ज तुम्हाला माहीत असणं गरजेचं आहे, कारण पुढे जाऊन हा चार्ज कसा येतो हे तुम्हाला समजणार आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल आता समजलं तर ठीकच आहे, पुढे जाऊन आपण काय पाहणार आहोत की 1 मोल इज इक्वल टू 6.022 10⁻23 जे व्हायचंय तुमचं. अजून मी तुम्हाला आता काय सांगतो की डिटेल म्हणजे काय पुढे डिस्कस करायचं आणि मग तुमच्या लक्षात येईल हे किती गरजेचं आहे. व्हॉट इज द चार्ज ऑन इलेक्ट्रॉन, 1.6 × 10⁻⁻19 कुलम विथ निगेटिव्ह साईन. हा चार्ज कसा आला त्याला म्हणायचे याचे डिटेल्स. सो 1 मोल इक्वल टू व्हॉट, 6.022 × 10⁻23. देन 1 फॅरेडे, फॅरेडेज कॉन्स्टंट, व्हॉट इज 1 फॅरेडे, 96,500 कुलम. दिज आर फिक्स व्हॅल्यू जे आपल्याला पुढे डिस्कस करायचे आहेत. 1 फॅरेडेची व्हॅल्यू असते 96,500 कुलम, 1 मोलची व्हॅल्यू असते 6.022 × 10⁻23 पार्टिकल्स. हे फिक्स आहे. मग आता 1 मोल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन ज्यावेळेस आपण घेऊ, 1 मोल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन ॲट दॅट टाइम, व्हॉट इज द चार्ज ऑन दॅट 1 मोल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, 1 फॅरेडे. व्हॉट इज द ऑब्झर्वेशन, ऑब्झर्वेशन काय आहे की ॲज वी टेक द 1 मोल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, 1 मोल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन आपण घेत असू त्याच्यावरती चार्ज किती असणार आहे, 1 फॅरेडे. 1 मोल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन कॅरीज द चार्ज 1 फॅरेडे. 1 मोल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन कॅरीज द चार्ज 1 फॅरेडे. 1 मोल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन मीन्स हाऊ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन, 6.022 × 10⁻23 it carries the charge 1